Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Money. The idea behind our platform is we want to make batch payments simple, removing any kind of manual work that is involved. So let's get started. A new user would come here and the use case for this demo would be to paying hackathon winners their bounties in one go. Alright, so um, we can upload a CSV and all of the values will be automatically filled, or we can upload them manually. Next, we can configure the email which you want to send. Thanks for participating. Cool. Now you can also use these variables which would automatically fill up the participant's name or its last name, email, address, etc. So that's automation right there. Now, in the next section, we can customize the invoice, which would be sending automatically to the recipients. So, for example, let's take an example of Dora Hacks, because why not? Tax registration. Alright, as you can see, the invoice contains everything necessary. It will also contain the transaction of the request scan with the ID so that the recipient can directly go on request scan to check out his transaction. Right, next. We will just cross check everything. This is my email which would be sent. Alright, let's make payment. Now we are using batch payments right here, but we're also using batch requests, which is not natively provided by request team. Though they have raised an issue after we had a talk with the team. So what I did was calculate the sum of the total amount which would be sending to all of the recipients. So for example, now the sum would be 0.006 ETH, as you can see right here. I will just confirm it. Also, you might have noticed that I didn't have to confirm multiple requests because that is being sponsored by us, actually by request can, but we are using our wallets to actually generate the requests. So user has like the minimal possible blockage or minimum possible work to do basically to make those payments. That's the whole point of this website. Now this is the part which is interesting, is we are sending the invoice and emails to the recipients. So yeah, basically all I had to do was just a click and there we go. Meanwhile, let me take you to our dashboard where we can connect our wallet, and this is all the data that is on the request scan. As you can see, I have paid some hackathon prizes through this account. Now you can get all the data of your transactions. However, the main feature of this is we can have a chatbot which actually has the context of all of your transactions, and you can ask him, hey, what's my transaction total this week, and it should be able to generate it. Meanwhile, as you can see, our payments has been processed. I have sent emails to. Alright, so here we go. We have a new email which was 0 minutes ago with the email and with the invoice. Cool. Dora Hacks had sent me some, and you can actually check this out on the request scan. Yep, and the balance has been paid 2 minutes ago. Cool. Yep, and the chatbot has given us with some transactions. The amount appears to be 19 transactions with ETH right now. The reason we are using ETH is because I have raised this issue as well with the team that the requests, I have to approve the requests on my MetaMask, and for some reason ERC20 tokens are not being able to approve by MetaMask, and I was having some error. And David and Ayman said that they would check it out. So for now we are on Sepolia, but as a proof of concept, yes, this works. And we have a personalized chatbot as well. So basically this could be a one-stop platform for